Hello, you divine, infinite human beings. You are all that is, ever has been, and ever shall be. You are divine, infinite source, divine, infinite love. And I'm so glad to have these few moments with you. I'm going to be doing a lot more video-wise. And I want to thank my subscribers for being with me and the new ones. This is so exciting. We're few, but I'd rather have a few ones that are really strong and solid than to have a huge following on YouTube, because that's not what I'm about. I'm about giving you information and helping you in the ascension process, both on right brain and left brain, holistically, all of you. So I'm giving you information now, but I'm going to follow this up with a very important meditation, ASMR. Yes, I know many of you joined me because of my ASMR. So I will be doing that, and it's a very powerful meditation that came to me today, and it's gonna get us out of this mess. So I just want to say that I've had a lot of my writing ability hijacked. My computer died. I think it got a virus or something from some of the sites I visited, and been getting blocked, and I'm not able to work with my very expensive MacBook Pro that also does my film editing, so I can't do the ASMRs edited, and I can't write and share my blogs and my written information. So I'm going to be sending it this way. And I want to just put things into perspective here and then bring it to a more of a starseed transmission, a higher vibration. But I think on the planet right now, obviously everyone is being affected by this. Everyone. There's no place to run, there's no place to hide. You are locked down and imprisoned for whatever reasons. Now there are many people that are just, what? Locked down? What's going on? They have no clue. They're running, unfortunately a lot of them are running fearful, which is not good because that's fueling the wrong side. And they're confused, and they're just, washing their hands and buying toilet paper and, reacting in the pre-described fashion. And they'll probably follow the typical analysis. I think David Icke calls it the totalitarian tiptoe, problem, reaction, solution, problem, pandemic, killer, plague. And I'm not using any of the words because they're highly tagged. So people are reacting to that and out of fear, and then they'll be, so ready to embrace the solution, which is already in the makings. We can hear the rumblings of a worldwide vaccination, which is exactly where they're trying to maneuver the population into going. And I want to talk a little bit about this very, very powerful and insidious mind control program that has been inserted into our DNA, into our consciousness, into our minds. And it's very, very powerful, and I want you to invite each and every one of you, no matter what level of this vibrational perspective you are on, because I just shared with you the lowest vibrational perspective, and I say this without judgment, because we are all one, we are all God, we are all divine infinite humans. We're just at various levels of awareness on the scale, vibrational frequency scale. So the base scale is this savior complex that has been spoon-fed to us throughout all religions, and in our most intimate of relationships. From being a child, I remember for me, I would pretend to be Sleeping Beauty, and my father would kiss me and wake me up, and I couldn't wait for him to come home from work to save me from my mother, because my mother was, Well, it was kind of that triangle. But enough said about that. But I think there's a lot of women who've always been, taught to look for their twin soul or their knight in shining armor, the man who's going to rescue them. And, I certainly played out that princess code programming and the quest for, my knight in shining armor. Thank God we really loved each other and we kind of transcended that programming, but that is definitely part of many people. Men too, looking for the perfect, female. On a religious basis, of course, and we see it playing out now, alla grande, as we say in Italian, a big scale, in terms of the Christ coming to the planet and saving, fighting the evil forces and saving us. Or, the Madonna just flew over Italy, the Madonna, something out there, something outside of you, whether it's a perfect person, Mr. Right, Mr. Perfect, whether it's, Jesus, Christ, Michael, the Madonna, the angelic host, whether it is, and I also see, I mentioned it yesterday, the scenario playing out with the Q, Trump, Anon strategies, which I'm not putting it down, I think it's wonderful, but the flaw in that is, again, we have a lot of people who are looking to Trump as the savior, and the Q, the reinstatement of, the resurrected or, not really dead son of John F. Kennedy, that's the scenario there, to return and reign supreme, just like Christ is supposed to reign supreme. So when I see these narratives, these storylines, because I'm a storyteller, it gives me pause. And I say, what is going on? And the bottom line with the Savior, whether you're saving other people or they're saving you, is you are constantly being diverted outside of yourself, away from your true power. And God, of course, we know is everything. The infinite, I call it the divine infinite, is everything, and it is also you and inside of you. And if you can really let that sink in, simple words, I always say it at the beginning of every video now, but it's very powerful. So the secret is the way out is up. The way out is in. And that's how we're going to get out of this mess. Even at the next level, we see this war of the cabal. I talked about the Anon level, and there are many people awakening up to the fact that there is a great evil on the planet. And then there's the layer of the technological warfare against the organic ascension of human beings, and the trying to usurp that with a artificial intelligence maneuver to transhumanize humanity away from being humans. And if you look at what's happening right now, people are being, here in Italy, they are no longer allowed to be human. They cannot kiss, they cannot touch, which is part of the Italian culture, baci baci all the time. They can't even be within a meter of one another, not Italian at all, they're very close. And they have to stay at home, which is absolutely not Italian, because that's one of the beauties of this culture. You can walk out anytime on any part of Italy and find, during the day in a piazza, people, life happening, children playing, old men playing cards and talking, people having coffee, tourists from all around the world. Stop. So our humanism is being robbed from us, and we're being forced to isolate ourselves in our homes. And what are most people doing is they're going to the internet. I too, and I'm not saying there's anything wrong with that. I think you wouldn't be listening to me right now if it wasn't via internet. But at the same time, you need to balance that. You need to do so much research, so much information is available on the internet. But I also, myself included, see people kind of getting crazy with it, because it is our only means of communication and socializing outside of our immediate environment. And mine is Kiki. So it's nice to talk to people. like I am right now. But at the same time, I think it's very important to unplug the internet, because if indeed they are putting 5G around, which I really believe they are, that is going to become a weaponized force to degenerate our DNA and transhumanize our organic life form, which is not good, because it's only through organic ascension that you truly ascend. Otherwise, it is just a prison, eternal. So, with that said, I think I pretty much summed it up. What's the way out? Oh my God, 5G satellites everywhere. Oh, there's, organic life killed, blah, blah, blah. No. The way out is in. The way out is up. Higher frequencies, believe it or not, can transcend all this technological tinker-toy warfare. I know that sounds really hard to believe, but I did a video earlier, and when I foresaw this on my channel, wearing a little flower thing, and I say 5G or 5D, which is why I chose to move down here to be surrounded by nature, and I chose to go inward, and I chose to accelerate my ascension process, maximize it. And I'm not going to go into that because there's a lot of information about that, how to ascend, but I will say that before, ascension was kind of like, a few people, yeah, fine, Now it's like we have a really strong motivation. That's the most positive thing about this, because there is a war raging, a war of consciousness, a war for our souls, and it's time for us to really make clear-cut, positive decisions. Are we going to continue to be sheeple and run for the vaccinations, lose our consciousness into the internet, and spend our lives 24/7, glued to cell phones? I know I'm in front of one right now. Or, our computer, or in social media, which is fine to a point. We have to be responsible. Or are we going to unplug and connect to God, the divine infinite source within ourselves, which knows everything, which is all-powerful, interdimensional, multidimensional, and will lead you, even if your brain doesn't know what's going on? Follow your heart, follow this divine spark of infinite that is inside of you, that will tell you what the truth is, tell you where you need to be, what you need to be eating, what you need to be reading, what you need to be watching, what you need to be thinking, and how you need to be meditating. Like I said, stay tuned. I am going to add a really nice, soothing, restoring, healing ASMR video after this. So I love you guys, and thanks for subscribing. If you haven't, please subscribe, because this is my now preferred means of communication since my computer's down. Ciao for now.